Hello, Segara Mandala Hotel with Adi here. May I help you?
Hello, I'd like to make a room reserve. Is it available?
For a moment, I will see the list of room. Yes, the room are available. For what date and time, sir?
For the 5th of February, 3 p.m.
Okay, would you like a single room or double room?
What's the difference between a single room or a double room?
A single room is equipped with one bed facility, one bathroom, air conditioning, and television, while a double room uh, is equipped with two bed facility, one bathroom with hot or cold shower, air conditioning, television, and sofa.
How much for a double room?
The match for a double room is 2 million.
Well, I'd like a double room.
Fine, sir. May I have your name and phone number, sir?
Sure. My name is Gustu and my number is 0708157.
Alright, Mr. Gustu. You reserve a double room is equipped with two bed facility, one bathroom with hot or cold shower, air conditioning, television, and sofa for the 5th of February 3 p.m.
Okay, thank you so much.
You are welcome, sir.